Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can set Google Chrome or any browser to be in your default browser within Microsoft Windows 11. As I get into this, smash the like button if it works for you, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are on the desktop, and the first thing that we're going to want to do is head down to the search bar down here, and we can type in settings. Okay, we can come to settings just here. We'll open up the settings and get all these the settings just here. And in the top left-hand corner, you will see that there's a search for a setting. We're just going to type in the word default. Okay, and it's got default apps. We're going to click on that. That's going to load up all of your default applications. Okay, and then we can go scroll down until we find Google Chrome or whatever browser it is that you are looking to make your default. Give that a click, and then in here, the very first option that you have is the set as default. You can go ahead and click on set as default, and that's going to make this your default browser. You can also come down to the specifics, so you can see the different types of, extensions and the types that will open up in Google Chrome versus others. So if you want your PDFs to always open up in Chrome, you can change that setting here, for example. SVGs currently open up in Microsoft Edge, but if you wanted that to be Google Chrome, you could make those changes as well. HTTP, HTTPS, etc. all set from this particular area right here. And that's it. It's as simple as that to set Google Chrome or any browser to be in your default. If this worked for you guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.